Hello friends, let's welcome back to Kids Universe Academy. Today let's start with the next session of colors. Let's start with the warm-up words. Red, R-E-D. Next, blue, B-L-U-E. Next, green, G-R-E-E-N. Next, yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Let's start with the section 1 of the sentences reading. Let's start reading. The apple is red. Your turn to read. Start reading. Next. Red is so bright. Your turn. Next, the sky is blue. Your turn. Next, I like blue a lot. Your turn. Next, the grass is green. Your turn. Next, green is like nature. Your turn. Next, the sun is yellow. Your turn. Next, yellow is so bright. Your turn. Clap for yourself. Now let's move forward to section 2 of sentences. The orange is orange. Your turn. Next, pink is my favorite. Your turn. Next, my dress is pink. Your turn. Next, the cloud is white. Your turn. Next, my shoes are black. Your turn. Next, I see many colors. Your turn. Next, colors make me happy. Your turn. Next, I love all colors. Your turn. Clap for yourself. Now let's move forward to section 3. Let's start reading. A rainbow has many colors. Your turn. Next, red and blue make purple. Your turn. Next, I paint with bright colors. Your turn. Next, my painting is very colorful. Your turn. Next, colors are all around us. Next, your turn. Next, I love to see colors. Your turn. Clap for yourself. Now let's move over to quiz time. Read by yourself the sentences. So start reading. Let's start rubber words. Pink, P-I-N-K. Next, orange, O-R-A-N-G. Next, white, W-H-I-T-E. Next, black, B-L-A-C-K. Thanks for watching our channel and video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Kids Universe Academy.